Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. Now our lesson, reported speech, it's the one that we are talking about. So now, please, I really thank you again for watching the video, the previous ones that you watched. So, your contribution is still important for us. Ubu turacyakomeje nanone kureba isomo ryacu rya reported speech. Iyi ni part 4. Hanyuma niba wabikurikiranye neza kandi ntabwo utazikurikiranye neza, wongere ugende usubire inyuma ku part 1 uzikurikiranye neza, nibwo bizagufasha kumva neza no kuzingatira iri somo ukaryumva, maze nawe kuvuga ukaruvuga nka bene rwo, like a native one. Here we have an example where you have the using question word like WH. You can use the HO, right? You have the 6 WH. So the questions that are started by these WH questions, you see here which, what, when, and then we have HO or how. So here we have the first example. Just let's begin with the first example. As we usually do it, this one is my example, right? Let's answer this first question. How old are you? The teacher asked me. So how can you put this one in direct speech? I know, please, everybody is very well has understood how to make the reported speech for to what we taught and we talked about in the previous videos. So now let's see this one we have. How old are you? The teacher asked me. So first of all, we say the teacher asked me. How old? How old? How old? Sorry. This one, see, I was. You see, so this question word, we stay there. We will never remove it, right? So what we will do is to change the main verb, the tense of this main verb. Here will be the past simple, right? Because the reporting verb is past simple, right? It's okay. Please, ladies and gentlemen, just please, you have to see this one. When you have the question, please, where there is where you didn't understand, or just you have to write the question in a comment, right? Remember to make share, like, and subscribe. Just please, it's a very important for everyone, right? Let's see the next. Which language do you prefer? Trainer asked a trainee. Say, trainer asked a trainee which language He, a trainee, can be a girl or a boy or female or male, right? Or preferred. Just you see here, her trainer asked a trainee which language he or she preferred. So you see this one, this verb please here when we are making the past simple or this one just we double this R. This R will be doubled. That's why here we have a double R, right? Then you see the next you have seen this example or number 2. So let's see number 3, right? Then number 3 is, please read it slowly, silently. Excellent, right? What time is it? What time is it? My classmate asked me. I will say, my classmate asked me what time it was. Right. So just you see here, please, it's very important for you, please, for everyone. This person, please, it's very easy, very simple, right? To this one, you don't change anything, don't, but please, you see, and anything that you change to very simple to do it, right? So here you see this one, questions. My classmate asking me what time it was, right? So number 4, when will you visitors? My grandpa asked them, right? As usual, this your question that you will write and your answer, the answer will be written in a comment. Please, honestly speaking, I really thank you for watching this video, for supporting us by making the subscribe. Just please remember to share to your friend, to your family, to your colleague. Please, it's better to give. If you have the student who is studying the P6 and even the senior 3, this lesson is very important to them. Please see you in the next video.